What's your expected score?
Don't ask me that. Ask me that.
Let's manifest 200.
Hey, not just 100.
110.
115. Kasi nakakasunod tayo sa lahat ng itatanong natin. I'm so scared din. 15 pa lang din.
Bakit?
Isa po. Sa likod pa. Ito. Isa pa lang. Look at my handwriting, guys. I look at this. It's my favorite handout. Puno-puno.
Ano chapter mo?
13.
Akala ko yung 13. Stats kasi yun.
Kaya nga, kaya madami nakasulat. Di ba, stats yung mahina kong part? Yeah, so I agree. Kasi it's true.
I agree because we're classmates. So, kung mahina siya sa stats, ako din. Others, tapos naka-gym lang naman. Arvin. May ano din, may scene din ng low. Yeah, the loop.
Yun. Temporal loop.
Good morning. It's Ella, and today I'm gonna try to vlog since it's been a while since my last vlog. So, I know na may mic quality is upload na since hindi mo gamit yung mic ko. But I'm gonna use it for charge ko na. So, wait, I'm gonna get my phone. So, before ako nandito, I'm gonna try to rundown muna may agendas for today. Sino na lang po? Kasi I actually slept super late last night. So, I don't know kung yung ba akong productivity sa katawan today. But, regardless, I have to finish everything since nga malapit na ang deadlines. And bumibigay yung school ng extra days for last week. And wala din kami exam. So, nalimutan pa ako. Anyway, ang need ko lang naman today is matapos yung stats namin for our experimental report, and then help with the introduction. So I have to write down some IRLs. I think I have to review as well for you. Dalawang chapters yun. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, so guys, nilista ko na. And it's not given. But hindi ko siya mapakita kasi hindi ko naman dito siya ginawa kasi. Okay, anyway. Yung gagawin ko na lang today. Okay, mukha lang naman siya marami kasi nilista ko dito yung mga tables na kailangan kong gawin for our stats. But, if we're going to summarize it, dalawa lang. But it's very heavy, so let's get going. Hi guys! So, done ako maligo and nakabihis na ako ng everything. I put my accessories on na. By the way, I'm using to and my rings. Ngayon, I'm gonna do my skincare na lang and my makeup and then brush my teeth and go. So, then I feel my surface. So, this is the Vaseline Vita HYA. Nakikita ko kay Ryan, which is my favorite blogger. So, a friend of a Nepo Baby, but not a Nepo Baby. I don't know if it was a friend or I don't know. Every time that I use lotion, it makes me think, may mga lotion ba hindi nakakapapit, pero nakaka-radiate and nakaka-hydrate ng skin. Kasi diba, like, I don't know, I grew up na yung perception ko sa lotion is pampaprotect ng skin. And what if people who wants to use lotion, hindi naman gusto ko protect? Enough time pa naman since my friend Elvira is still nasa NLEX and we're gonna meet to do our stats kasi matulog pa rin. So, I'm gonna take my time and do my skincare. But currently guys, I've been trying this Question Scar Sheet. I kind of think that it works kasi nagiging hydrated yung balat ng mga sugat. Pero, I'm not saying na, I'm not claiming yet na it's effective. At baka placebo talaga. Pero yun. It doesn't work like a hydrocolloid sheet. I'm done. Pakita ko naman sila kung wala sa pagka. So, this used to be my lotion. Hindi na ako nag-refill here since hindi na umaabot sa baba yung hindi na uubos. Sayang. Ay, shit. And then my cologne na Cloud. I got this from Tresemme. Sa Decant. And then my deodorant. Deodorant. My serum. Hair. And then extra lang. For when I want to bring a different set of cologne. And then my cotton pads. That's all. And may baon na ako. Ayun, nakapag-load ko din. So, ang gonna do today is mag makeup. Althea is back now from the comfort room. And we are here at Tomorrow. I've ordered matcha. And then she have me utang. Sorry po. Althea's order. Thank you, Althea. Dami ko nang nalaglag. And, ay, go. My clumsy ass. Okay. We're doing stats until now. We started ng mga 1:30. Hindi pa rin kami tapos. So, bye. Say hi. Yung cellphone ko. Sige. Hi. Kanina pa po nakakabagsak ng mga gamit si Ella. I think it's the expe effect. Yes? Expe effect. It's the main effect. It's the interaction between Ella and experimental psychology. So these are your orders. This is Ella's order. It's 3 cheese flatbread. Tama? 3 cheese white something flatbread. And this is a strawberry and cream bombolone. Bombolone? Totoo ba yun? Bombolone? Something donut. Yes, kasi I tried the tiramisu before. I didn't, not really. Or maybe because we were stressed because we were doing TOP. Where's your other mic? Oh, we should, yeah, this is our break time, Ella. We deserve a break. We deserve a break. We deserve a break. Okay, wait. Hi, guys. I'm checking on my things first kasi baka feel ko may nawawala na siya. Kami, social distancing. Ano kasi, sino kasi nagsabi ng social isolation? Sinas. We're not gonna use the term social distancing anymore. We're gonna use social isolation.
Yes, we're socially isolated.
Yes, from our queen of experimental psychology.
Yes. One of the
Nas.
holy trinities.
Yes. True. Am I audible here? Am I audible? Yes, you're loud and clear. Sino yun?
Si Miss Maybelline.
Yes, you're loud and clear.
Girl, hindi siya no.
Great.
So, Alteo, what's your progress? Give me the percentage.
The?
Percentage.
Don't ask me. Don't ask me about where I'm at right now.
You have this, like, line.
Hmm?
You have this line. Pag mo sinasabi yan, don't ask me that.
Really?
Yeah. Ito, iconic. The fuck?
Bakit? Sino mataling yung gold? And then, anong isa?
Reason.
Place? Tama ba?
Yes. Area,
Restricted
time, reason.
Area restriction. And then, inisip ko na ba yung mga nilagay ko sa journal critic ko eh.
Fuck stats. Fuck Jamovich.
What she said.
Hi guys. Kami ay kakain ng melona.
Ang daming time mag-video knowing na ang dami naming pendings. At yung goal kasi namin is matapos lahat ng to before Undas. Sana.
That's so
Hello!
sad. Hi everyone.
Hello everyone!
Welcome to our podcast class. Antayin natin si Boss.
Si Boss. Sensei.
Sensei. Ano sabi mo kay Pat na nakaano siya?
Kita!
Hindi kasi siya na-caught sa video namin kahapon. What do you have to say for our sensei? Hi. Hi. For boss. Sensei. Sensei. He's an icon. So, he's a legend. He is the moment.
Oh my God. Sir, ano
There
po
he is.
masasabi nyo? Sir, ano po masasabi nyo? Kahit Nagtaray ka in front of the camera. Ito po ay, this is a podcast. Nagtaray ka in front of the camera. Say something. Who are you? Who are you?
Okay, mag-attendance ako. Julian Santos. Julili Santos. Sige. Shamin. No, girl. Nakikita mo ba yung itsura natin? Naka-patfit tayo. Ang asin. Pakita natin yung skills natin. Okay.
Are you the
You're not we're gonna show you guys our karate skills.
first?
Go. So, okay, pero I'm gonna ask you first. Gusto ko lang tanungin, ma'am, Althea Sandra de la Cruz, kamusta po yung pakiramdam na lalaban po kayo ngayon sa Olympics ng ating karate? Represent Philippines. Ay, puti! May fantasy ko yun, naging sports, ano? Yes. Okay, I'll read down with the speech. Okay, but what do you have to say for Althea Sandra de la Cruz, our representative sa Olympics ngayon ng karate?
I think she's very equipped with enough knowledge about karate. I think the years of practice, the training, the dedication that she put into this endeavor, I think it justifies why she deserves to win this competition.
Any last words?
Any last words for Althea? Althea, you're gonna make it. I have a feeling in my bones, you're gonna make it. Oy, natandaan ko yung nag-video din tayo. Tapos sabi ko bigla, what seems to be the problem? Everything fine. Oy, nung first sem, after ITP, na nagbe-video tayo, oo. Mm-mm. Okay. My words are your, what do you call to that, like, supplement or serum that athletes, yung bawal siya? Yung bawal? Yes, steroids. You got it right. My words are your steroids. Okay, I'm gonna pass the mic to,
Grabe, may hadlang sa aming fun. Grabe, may subtitle yung face ni Sir. We're psychologists, students, we can tell. Show them. Give them the context. Sino yun yung... Hindi Laure. More on the masculine side.
Ay, oh my gosh. Alam mo na yung isip mo. The short-haired one. Sino nga yun?
Aragalak! may isa pa. Ako din. Oh my God.
Pangalan mo ba?
May isa pa, yung girlfriend ni Abby Marquez tuloy. Mga naglulu. What if I put my volleyball players in Yara? May iPad can do everything. Kahit Jamovi, gumagana yan. The setter? Oo. Grabe, inaano siya. Dito, ini-issue siya ngayon kasi hindi siya nakipag-heart dun sa fan. Eh di ba gano'n naman to talaga? Si Althea, mapipili siya para mag-compete sa Pulse Fit. South guy. Bye! Say bye, man.
Bye-bye.